Okay, we are going to use a rectangle class to extend GeometricObject and implement comparable interface. Also, we may overwrite the equals method in object class, then create the two objects to compare. Okay, rectangle class extends GeometricObject to data field, width and height, and to constructor and setters and getters. Okay, let's implement comparable interface. The element is going to be a rectangle class. There is one method to implement compared to. Okay, so idea is use if-else statement. This object compared to that object kind of idea. So this get area, that object reports to O, get area, then return number 1. If this object is smaller than that object, which is O, we will return -1. This object, that object is the same size, we will say return 0. Okay, that's how you implement compare to methods. Okay, now we are going to look at equals methods in objects class. Previously we implemented in GeometricObject, but this time we are going to implement it in rectangle class. So here, let me just type it. Okay, public boolean true and false value equals object. Let's say O. Same idea, return this object, same as that object according to get area. So O, get area. Again, you need to do typecasting because you cannot see get area here. So when you have an object, you do typecasting as a rectangle class. That means you have to introduce one more parenthesis. Then according to that typecasted rectangle object, then you should be able to call getArea methods. Okay. Okay, public static void main. We need two objects. So let's start with rectangle O1. We have a constructor with two parameters, width and height. Let me copy, paste it. Change to object number 2. Let me make it slightly bigger rectangle, 10 by 10. Okay, O1 equals to O2. Let's try O1 compared to O2. Then we can print it out result. Okay, the first one is false. Okay. Next one, we know that rectangle O2 is greater than O1, so there should be -1. Okay, let's say what if the same size of a rectangle? Okay, it's supposed to return true and then 0. Okay, true and equals and then 0 because it's same size. That's all. Thank you.